Hello everybody and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today we are testing whole food dry aged steaks and they better be good for that price. This is grass-fed beef, dry aged for 28 days and sold on every wholesale store for $25 a pound. Yes, it's freaking expensive and I have no idea if it's good. And yes, you are saving the dry age time. And with the prices of the beef right now, it's not too crazy. Anyway, this is the steak. A beautiful ribeye steak dry aged by professionals for 28 days. And available for anyone wanting to try dry aged steaks without investing money on equipment and stuff. If you think about it and you want to try dry aged meat without spending an arm and a leg into the process, this is a good solution. So let's get into it. We all know that grass-fed meat is not well known by its marbling, but this bad boy looks pretty nice. Nice marbling, nice thickness, and ticking all the marks of what a good steak should be. Okay, we will be seasoning this bad boy with sea salt, freshly ground pepper, and garlic powder, and set it on the side for 30 minutes at room temperature. Once the grill is ready, cook it indirectly for about 20 minutes. But please buy a thermometer if you're cooking awesome meat. You need it. I'm gonna allow the internal temperature of the steak to rise to 110 degrees. Yes, it is dry aged. And if you want a nice, medium rare, dry aged steak, you have to take it before the recommended time. The reason is that most of the water in the steak has been taken out, deleted, erased from the dry aging process. Well, you know what dry stands for in the dry aging process, right? Well, it has nothing to do with the way we cook the steak, but it's a good reminder for you to know what to do. Anyway, once it gets to 110 degrees, I will take it out of the heat and let the grill heat up as much as possible. How do I do that? I open the bottom vents all the way and leave the lid open. That will make it hot, really hot, so don't touch it. And be careful with the kids, don't touch it. Also, remove the diffuser and set the grill to its closest position to the fire. After about 15 minutes, I will set the steak back on the grill and sear it. If the grill is hot enough, I will sear each side for 1 minute. And once ready, take it out and let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I will prepare a nice Cuban salad that will make you cry of happiness. For that, we need lettuce, red leaf or blend, 3 large ripe avocados cut into 1-inch pieces, 4 large ripe tomatoes cut into 1-inch pieces, 1 medium red onion, and 4 ounces of feta cheese crumbled. For the dressing, half a cup of white vinegar, half a cup of lemon juice, 6 garlic cloves mashed, half a cup of olive oil, salt and pepper to the taste. Always add the dressing to the salad right before serving. That way the veggies will look nice and fresh all the time. Alright guys, these all look beautiful.
That's my line.
What do you mean?
I'm supposed to say, guys, it looks beautiful.
Oh, so not you're the one that only say beautiful in this house?
Yes.
Well, it is what it is. We have that beautiful salad there.
Can't wait.
I don't know how they come out with the Cuban salad name for this thing because I've never seen feta cheese in Cuba.
Exactly what I was going to say.
It looks delicious. And we have a perfectly cooked, amazing, stunning, dry aged for 28 days ribeye steak from Whole Food.
Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna try it. Man, my mouth is watering.
Whole Food is stepping up the game.
Guys, we all know how dry aged steak tastes in this house and everything, so we're gonna give it a good try. Let's go. It tastes really good. It's tender, it's juicy, it's magnificent, but I don't feel that dry aged flavor into it. Dry aged is supposed to have a little bit of that blue cheese flavor into it.
Funky.
And funky smell, and it should be delicious, exactly how this steak is. It is delicious, but I don't think this cannot compare to a dry aged steak that we do here at home.
Okay. But I love it.
It's not bad.
So it doesn't earn delicious? I guess you don't get it, Whole Food.
I'm sorry, Whole Food. I cannot give you a delicious if this thing doesn't taste funky, bro. It has to taste funky. for it to be dry aged.
They're not hungry.
It's not gonna be delicious. But I have to ask you a question.
Yes, go ahead, do it. Because
Did I make you hungry with this beauty?
Did you?
If I made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel down there and let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this. Did you ever try store dry age? Did it taste different? Did you made it at home and compare? I think this is deserve a comparison with a dry age made here at home. So we're gonna be doing that next for sure. I'm gonna be dry aging some meat here.
That's good.
And give it a comparison and see what happens.
So
for now, it's a no for me. That's all for today. And remember that I love you.
I love you too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Hey, the shout out share is coming soon. Miss DJ is looking for a bombo. I don't even know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
It's coming soon, all right?